Hello and welcome back to the DaveTech YouTube channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to use the Kanopy app to watch movies, TV series on Android TV. So in this video, you learn how to watch Kanopy on Android TV. We're going to head over to the Google browser. I'm going to be showing you how to get the Kanopy app first and then watch the Kanopy app. So on the Google browser, you find me typing out Kanopy. So you're going to look for the app that has the version that has play.google.com, and I recommend you actually type in Kanopy app because this will filter the search and you have less irrelevant results. So now when you type in Kanopy app, just be patient and wait for the information to load. If your internet connection is poor, searching may take some time, but when it loads up, you're going to look for the version that has play.google.com, and that's the one you'll be choosing. So just bear with me where I am. I have poor internet connection, so it's taking some time to load. You could refresh and search again. And right there you have play.google.com. This is the version you want. Click on that link and you're able to get the install button right here. Now in my case, you already have the app installed, so you can find the open button. I'm going to click open and we're going to launch the application. There it is. Kanopy is loading. It's a streaming app. Give it some seconds to load. And when it does, you can see that Kanopy is an app you can use to stream thousands of films and series for free with no ads. So all you need to do is to get started or log in. So if you click on the get started button, you can come here and put in your login information. So you see you're asked to create an account with your public library card or sign in through your academic institution to start watching on Kanopy. Now you're going to affiliate yourself as a professor or put in your library card. If you have your library card, this is the option to use, or you could find your university and choose it. If you have a Kanopy account already, go to the top right button and click on login. So when you click on login, you're going to put in your details. And right here, you have your email address and your password. That's all required to log in. If you created your account using a Google account, you could just continue with Google and you'll be in your account. Now, if you don't have an account, you could choose the create an account option or sign up. And when you're in, you'll be able to use Kanopy for all the content you have on it, stream the content and enjoy. So if you found value in that tutorial, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.